There's a gruesome incident that has taken place in Yadgir, which is in Karnataka. A man set a woman on fire after she allegedly resisted the rape attempt. The victim, who was taken to the district hospital, then has succumbed to her burn injuries. The accused, who was identified as Gangappa Basappa, he allegedly knew the victim, used to threaten her despite being warned by the victim's family members. However, on Monday at around 2 a.m., the accused barged into the woman's house, attempted to rape her. When the woman resisted, that's when the accused lost it, poured petrol on her and then set her ablaze. She had suffered 95% burn injuries. She hasn't survived.
ಊರಿನ ಒಂದು ಮನೆಗೆ ನುಗ್ಗಿ ರಾತ್ರಿ 2 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಹಿಳೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಲಾತ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಟ್ಟಾಗ ಆ ಮಹಿಳೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಆತನಿಗೆ ತಳ್ಳಿ ಆಕೆಯ ರಕ್ಷಣೆಗಾಗಿ ಆತನನ್ನು ತಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಆತ ನಂತರ ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಗ ಆತ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ದ ಮೋಟಾರ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಆತನ ಮೋಟಾರ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ನಿಂದ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಆ ಮಹಿಳೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಹಚ್ಚಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಆ ಮಹಿಳೆಗೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಸುಟ್ಟ ಗಾಯಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದು ಈಗ ಅವರು ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ಪಡೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಖಂಡಿತ ಯಾದಗಿರಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಒಂದು ಹಳ್ಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ದುರಂತ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಒಂದು ಅಮಾನವೀಯ ಕೆಲಸ ಅದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ವಶಕ್ಕೆ ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಒಬ್ಬರನ್ನ. ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗೂ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್. ಸರ್, ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನೇ ವಿಚಾರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ತಪ್ಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ಬಹಳ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಹಳ ಅಮಾನವೀಯ ಒಂದು ಕೃತ್ಯ ಅದು. ಖಂಡಿತ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ಆಗೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Our correspondent Srija is getting us further details here on this. Srija, the police's assurance here that the accused in this will not be spared. But given the fact that the family was aware on how he had been troubling their daughter, was there any earlier police complaint made of this as well?
Well, this cold-blooded crime comes to light from Surpur Taluk of Yadgir district in Karnataka, where at times several cases, especially atrocities against women, have been reported in the last one or two months. But what is important to note in this particular story that comes in from Surpur Taluk is that this woman, we understand the victim, she has already succumbed to her burns. In fact, she had sustained nearly 95% of the burns as told by the medical superintendent. And also what we understand from the police is that this particular accused, both in fact they knew each other, the victim and the accused. But however, the victim also was married, but we understand from the investigating officers that the accused used to accost her every single time, and despite being warned by the family members, what he did was barge into the house and also attempted to rape this particular woman. But when she resisted, this is when her husband stepped out of the house. This is for an open defecation, considering it's a village area that we are talking about. It was at that particular moment this accused barged into the house, and when she resisted the rape, he doused her in petrol and set her ablaze. And of course, she was rushed to the district hospital. She did sustain about 95% of the burns, and also she was being treated, but however, she succumbed to her burns, is what the police has told. But right now, at the moment, we understand from the cops that the accused is still at large, and they have already launched a manhunt.
Srija, many thanks. They've launched a manhunt there on that. The accused there belonging to the locality, to the area, still on the run. We'll leave it at that.